Hello everybody, it's Professor Rich, and today I'm going to show you one of the best pronunciation resources I've ever found, and actually one of the best English learning tools that has ever existed ever. And this is free, and it's a website. And honestly, when I found this, I almost couldn't believe that it existed and no one was really talking about it. So this is a website called Youglish. Hands up in the chat if you know that. Anyone know Youglish? Let me show you this wonderful website. This is a website called Youglish. Now, let's choose UK. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a lovely phrase here, because we like to learn phrases on this channel, not individual words, not subject plus verb plus blah blah grammar, which is not how people speak languages. We learn phrases. We learn lexical chunks. Let's learn one. Let's try a phrase here. So I'm going to put, I'm going to go to. Put that in, UK. Let's see what happens.
In terms of, I'm going to go to the audience for some questions in a moment.
Ooh, did you hear how she said that? Let's listen again.
In terms of, I'm going to go to the audience for some questions in a moment.
What? I'm going to go to the audience? I'm going to go to? Oh my God. It's real, natural English. It's perfect. Why didn't she say, I'm going to go to? Like all the fake English teachers on YouTube. Oh, it's because people don't speak English like that. They speak English like that. Let's see what this wonderful website can do. We can click here.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm going to go to the loo.
Oh, I'm going to go to the loo. I'm going to go to the loo. I'm going to go to the loo. What wonderful, natural, native, real pronunciation of a wonderful language choice. I'm going to go.
He said to me, where are you going next? I said, I'm going to go to Afghanistan. He's like, really? I'll do some statements for you. And whilst I was filming these statements, he said to me, where are you going next? I said, I'm going to go to Afghanistan.
I'm going to go to Afghanistan. I'm going to go to Afghanistan. Wow, this guy speaks fast. I'm going to go to Afghanistan.
And I'm going to go to the kitchen still.
I'm going to go to the kitchen. I'm going to go to the kitchen. I'm going to go to the kitchen. Oh, it's so good. All right, what if you prefer American English? All right, let's try American English. Should we try the same phrase?
And I'm going to go to places I haven't gone before. And with her.
I'm going to go to a Facebook post.
Okay, it's pretty similar, right? I'm going to go to a Facebook post.
Mother, and I'm going to go to this comedy club, make
I'm
it
going to
better,
go to this comedy club.
Now, you might think, oh, I'm going to go to Eastern Europe and see...
That's pretty similar. So with Gunnar, obviously British English and American English is very similar. All those speakers there were American, by the way. I can hear their accent. So brilliant. What a fantastic resource. Now, on using this, I would recommend that you do search for phrases and you do use these little speech marks here like that so that you get the phrase. You can search for individual words. You can do that, you know. Let's go for that one.
One particularly fruitful artistic device.
The thing is, I don't think that's as useful, though. Let's try I've just. How about I've just done?
Pattern maker in the morning about what I've just done.
Ooh, about what I've just done. About what I've just done, darling. About what I've just done. Lovely.
School, so I've just done a project on a stone.
I've just done a project. I've just done a project. I've just done a project. This website is gold. If you're a vocabulary miner, this is your gold. This website is genius, absolutely genius. If anyone watching this video or out there knows the guy who wrote this website, and I know his name, and I've tried to track him down, and I've tried to email him, and I'm absolutely desperate to talk to this guy. If anyone knows a way to contact him, please send him my way. Ask him to email eltunderthecovers@gmail.com. I am desperate to have an interview with this guy. I think the guy has made one of the best, if not the best, English learning aids ever made, and it's free. That's youglish.com. Go there, use it, tell me how it goes. Post your comments down below. I would love to hear about your experiences with this just genius website. By the way, it can do more stuff. It can do loads of stuff. Let's see if we can find... Look, you can do this. You can search using stuff like this. I mean, like, you can search for goal in a Donald Trump context. Like, the sophistication here is incredible.
Maker in the morning about what I've just done.
Quiet. It's just absolutely amazing. Okay, absolutely amazing. Let's just look at their pronunciation tips here. Break it down into sounds. Say it out loud, yes. Break it down into sounds. Don't know if I agree with that. Concentrate on the sounds, yes. Break it down, I don't know. Record yourself, yeah, that's a good idea. Focus on one accent. Yeah, sure, if you want. You don't have to, though. You don't have to. And get a teacher, yeah. Oh, click here to get $10 off italki. Don't recommend it, folks. Don't recommend it. Sorry, italki. But don't recommend it. Got a better option. Prof Rich Conversation Club, baby. All right, so there you go. Just simply one of the best language learning tools that has ever been made, in my opinion. Check it out. And please do comment and let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. It's my pleasure as always. I will catch you